this is Hania and this is lesson 6 of our Pashto alphabets. So last time we left off at Ghain and now we're going to start at Fe. So repeat after me. Fe, Qaf, Kaf, Qaf, Lam, Mim, and Noon. So now I'm going to say the words and the translation of the words. So let's get started. Fe, football. Football means soccer. Qaf, Qanun. Qanun means law. Kaf, kitab. Kitab means book. Gaf, gulab. Gulab means rose. Lam, lewa. Lewa means wolf. And mim, mewa. Mewa means fruit. The last one is nun, niyamat. Niyamat means blessing. So now we're going to use all of these words in sentences. So let's get started. So Fe, football. Ahmad, football career. The translation for that sentence is Ahmad is playing soccer. The next one is Qaf, Qanun. Mush bayad the Qanun sara samjwan wukro. And the English sentence for that is we have to live by the law. And the next one is Kaf, kitab. Kitab's ma shamul garide. And the English sentence for that is a book is my best friend. Gab, gulab. Bagh ke gulab de. And the English sentence for that is there are roses in the garden. And the next one is lam lewa. And the sentence for that is lewa padzangla ke jwan kabir. And the English sentence for that is a wolf lives in the jungle. Mim mewa. Mewa rohtata gatar. And the English sentence for that is fruits are good for health. And the last one is nun niyamat. Jwan dakhtai niyamati. And the English sentence for that is life is God's blessing. So now I'm going to repeat these again. Fe, Qaf, Kaf, Gaf, Lam, Mim, and Noon. So make sure you guys practice on these a lot and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!